Hi, I'm Ben from InternetGy. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to use the free inspection checklist software that InternetGy provides to its members as part of the certification process. So there are several things you need to do to become an InternetGy certified home inspector. One of them is use our free online checklist software to perform 4 inspections, mock inspections, pretend inspections, and submit those inspection reports using our free software. So I'm going to run through the software and show you how easy it is. It's really cool. So the software works on any device. Laptop is pretty easy, mobile device even. So InternetGy CPI. And here's our InternetGy CPI requirements to become a certified professional inspector. Home inspector certification requirements. There are 6 steps to become an InternetGy certified home inspector. Step 5 is to submit 4 mock or simulated inspection reports using InternetGy's free inspection checklist software. Let's go there. So here's our checklist for submitting those reports, and there's a big green button. And here's the checklist. So let's let it load. Client name. I hate typing, so I'm going to Ben Gromicko. I'm just going to use voice command, voice to text. Inspected property address, 1750 30th Street, Boulder, Colorado, 80301. Date of the inspection, let's say it was a few days ago. Weather conditions, partly sunny, period, very nice, period. Inspector name, Benjamin Gromicko. You can also type if you wanted to, so Ben, my email address, InternetGy username. Well, you have to type in your username. So every member of InternetGy has a username and password unique to them. And so this software isn't available to everyone. You have to join InternetGy to use it. Okay, now I can upload a picture if I wanted to. You don't have to using this software, but it's optional. So let's say I want to take a picture of the house. So let's say a picture of the house is the door. We're at InternetGy, the NetGy TV studio. This is where we do our webinars and things like that. So I'm going to use that. That's the picture of the house uploaded. You could save your progress and resume later, or just continue to the roof section. So I'm going to continue to the roof section. So I'm 17% done. Take a picture of the roof? Sure. Let's say you don't have to walk upon any roof, but here I am. So there's my shoes on top of the roof. Okay, but actually I inspected the roof from the ground level and from a ladder and from the roof surface, right? The roof covering materials were not inspected because, so you can tell your client why you didn't inspect the roof. I inspected the gutters from the ground level. The gutters were not inspected. How did you inspect the downspouts? Well, I inspected them. Let's say they were not present. There are no downspouts on the house, period. This is a major concern, period. Okay? Just having fun. I inspected the vents from the ground level, the vents and flashing, the ground level eaves. I inspected the general structure from the ground level, from the readily accessible areas, and from a drone, period. You could do that if you wanted to. Describe. So you inspect, describe, and then report. So in this section, describe the roof system. Well, the type of roof covering materials I observed can be described as asphalt shingles. Report. You're required to report upon defects. I saw evidence of an active roof leak. There is blue plastic tarp covering a large section of the roof in the back, period. Indications of an active roof leak, period. Cool. So let's continue to the exterior section. Quarter of the way done. Upload a picture of the exterior. let's say, I'll take a picture of my lamp inside the webinar room. I inspected the wall covering materials. Click that. I inspected all the doors. Click that. I inspected the adjacent walkways. Click that. And I'm not really putting my finger in the little circle there to check it. You just tap the sentence because my fingers are fat and so I need help. I inspected the porch, patios, decks, stairs. I inspected the railings, guards, eaves, representative number of windows, vegetation. Now I describe and report. So the type of exterior wall covering materials, I've got vinyl, I've got stucco. Did I observe, yeah, spacing between the balusters is too big. So let's go to the basement. I think you get the idea, right? So let's go a little bit faster. Here's the picture. Use that phone. I inspect the foundation, I inspect the basement, I inspect the crawl space, I inspect the structural components. I describe the foundation as a basement and location of the infrared system. I observe conditions of the contact in the soil and go to the heating section. I inspect the heating system. I describe the location of the thermostat. In the dining room, period. Yeah, that's pretty easy. Energy sources, natural gas. It's one there. Your part to report on defects. So heat system is not great. Heat system is accessible. I observe the conditions of the material defect. The fluid is outside the heat system is blocked, period. Safety hazard, period. And heat pressure is needed, period. So continue to the cooling system. Halfway. I inspect the cooling system with no auto controls. I describe the system as essential air. I report on defects. Continue to the plumbing section. So we're in the plumbing section, and just to review, if you're using this InterNACHI free checklist software, it mirrors what you are inspecting, mirrors the InterNACHI standards of practice that you follow when you perform an inspection. So the benefit is you get to practice using this checklist, and because it mirrors the standards of practice, you can be ensured that you are following the standards of practice as you perform an inspection using this checklist software. So it's really great. It's very handy. Let's go back to doing the inspection. I inspected the main water supply shutoff valve. That's a requirement in the standards of practice, and it's in your checklist. Location of the water supply shutoff valve is in the front corner of the basement. The electrical meter is falling off the house, period. Safety hazard, period. Material defect, period. Correction recommended, period. That is so cool. Windows and interior section, almost done. I inspected the representative number of doors and windows, range and cooktop and oven, microwave oven with my InterNACHI microwave detector. And I can save my progress and resume later, or I hit submit. So I'm going to hit submit. Success. Your mock home inspection report has been submitted. If there are any issues with your report, you'll be contacted. Otherwise, please continue back to InterNACHI's website. And that's how easy it is to use a free home inspection software checklist that InterNACHI provides to members after you join and you want to become a certified home inspector through InterNACHI. All right, have fun inspecting. Stay safe out there. Bye.